Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in Urdu. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon, or other menu to change the captions. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Heat a 1/4 cup of oil in a pan on low heat. Add 200 grams of Indian cottage cheese, cut in small cubes. Stir fry till slightly golden. Make sure to fry all sides of the cubes. Once golden brown, remove and put aside. Add the peas to the rest of the oil, and increase the heat to medium. Stir fry till the peas are golden brown. Once golden brown, remove the peas and put aside. In the remaining oil, add 1 large, roughly chopped onion. Stir fry a little. As the onion starts to change color, add about 1 inch of roughly cut ginger. Stir fry a little. Add 5 roughly chopped cloves of garlic. As the onion and ginger start to turn golden, add 2 roughly diced large tomatoes and 2. Stir fry till the tomatoes are nice and tender. Once the tomatoes are cooked and tender, remove and let cool. Once the mixture is cool enough, blend into a fine paste. Heat a 1/4 cup of oil on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry a little, be careful not to burn the cumin seeds. Add 2 split black cardamoms. Add 2 bay leaves. Fry for approximately a minute, and add the blended paste of onion and tomatoes we made earlier. Stir to mix well. Cover and let cook for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, stir thoroughly. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir to mix well. Cover and let cook for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, stir thoroughly. Stir and cook for another 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of water. Stir to mix well. Bring to a boil. Add the fried peas. Add the fried Indian cottage cheese. Cover and let cook for about 5 minutes. Check to see that the peas are tender. If not, then you can cover and let cook for another few minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Indian mixed spice. Enjoy with naan bread, chapati or rice.